show you around Fuzhou National Forest Park, which is in Fujian province in China. This forest park was built in 1960 and it covers a huge area of 860 hectares. It's surrounded by hills and there's a beautiful stream that runs through the park. The park has lots of landscaped areas such as the bamboo forest and the banyan area. Also there's a temple inside the park and I will take you around that. So if you really love nature, stick around and watch the video. I will also be presenting a Chinese poem at the end. Just like in lots of my other videos, I will show you around the temple. This temple is called Zhengxin Temple, which translates roughly as something like correct mind temple. It seemed to be a nunnery. There were lots of nuns in the building just next to the main temple, doing lots of chores. The temple itself is quite an old temple with quite a bit of history. It's not the biggest temple, but it is definitely a beautiful place, just like most of the temples I visit, to be honest. So I hope you enjoy it. Jiaoran. Stretching and curling, to what purpose? Twining around the stream and belting the void above. You have form, but are not an encumbered thing, following the wind, leaving no trace behind. Don't blame me for always pursuing you, floating without roots. You're just like me.